Hey, welcome to the channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a diagnostic and overall check on this engine. And this here is a Troy-Bilt Super Bronco CRT. So it has a counter rotating tines. It's a rear tine tiller. Now, we were just talking about this in the comments on another one that, years ago when you bought a Troy-Bilt rear tine tiller, you got a monster that you could never kill. And the newer ones just aren't that way. They've cheapened the model so much. So stay tuned if you're interested in tiller stuff. All right. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. Today I thought we'd talk about chainsaws. Alright, so welcome back. My name is Eric, if you didn't already know that. And I do the weekday show Monday through Friday in the mornings. It's available on podcast as well. We also do educational repair videos. So this is on how to do a proper diagnostic. This guy knows he's paying 45 bucks. No question. But here's the clinker. I asked him, I said, where's the rewind? And he told me, he said, well, it's like this. He said, all you have to do is wrap it around these. I mean, this is old school. That ain't gonna fly. So I told him, I said, you're gonna need a rewind before we could even find out it's even got compression. So by luck, I happen to have a brand new one sitting right here that I had on the shelf. So then I had to go scavenge some bolts to put it together. So let's see if we can make this old girl hum. See if I can get here where you can see. I guess I'm going to be able to see it later. That one, yeah. Alright, so we got the rewind all on. So now at least we can check compression, right? So let's do that next. That's the beast. Got a brand new plug in it. All I can smell is fuel. Alright, so now keep in mind that compression is only one part because this does have overhead valves. So if the compression isn't up, it could also be here. So, but we always want to start here, right? So let's see what she got. It's not even reading off 0. Huh. Well, ain't that dandy? Told me you got a hell of a deal for $300 without a rewind. Alright, so let's see if we can get access to the valves to see if we can correct any of the issues. And I suspect that these are all metric. Yep, probably a number 10. But that's what I want you to keep in mind, is that it is time consuming to do all this stuff, and it may be for naught, right? But you got to get paid. Because I've already put a rewind on it, check compression. Now we're going for, see if the valves. That's the girl. But I want to use this ratchet. What do we got here? Those are different size heads. 11s. 11 feels a little on the loose side. It's always handy keep just like that, so that they don't drop down in on you. dual-headed. I remember where all this goes, right guys? And, Alright, so I'm going to stop there and I'll have Claude get involved with this in the morning. And we start adjusting the valves. Alright, so welcome back. Claude and I did the best we could with the valves and we still couldn't get it up above 5 psi. So there's something internal going on with the valves. It's not worth it. But this is why I stress you need to get a diagnostic because they've got time into doing compression check, time into pulling the valve cover, which required me to take the exhaust guard and everything else off, and then time to do the valve adjustment, and it still comes up zeros. This is what I'm forewarning you guys of that are starting to get into this business is he thought he got a steal for $300 with no rewind on it and never hearing it run. The best thing I can tell him to do right now is if he wants to put a Predator engine on it, it's going to cost him $150 plus tax. He's got 3 in it now. That's his call. But one way or another, somebody's going to give you $45 for working on it. So on that note, sorry about this morning's video. I had it all ready to go, and a lot of times if I'm on the road, I'll just make it public through my phone. But where we went this morning was up into the Adirondacks where we lost phone service for probably an hour, 2 hours this morning. Then I forgot till I just got to it now. So again, sorry for that, and we'll catch you on the next video.